From an empty space to a beautiful new home. This is our latest 8 by 10 meter Nutec house, a modern 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom design with an open-plan kitchen and living area. Step by step, our team brought this vision to life, from the foundation and structure to electrical and plumbing installations. Every detail was handled with care, from smooth interior and exterior painting to elegant built-in cupboards and perfectly finished tiling in the bathroom. The result? A fully completed, move-in ready home, built with quality, precision, and pride. All this for just 400,000 Rand. Another successful project by Takelight Log Cabin Projects, where your dream home becomes reality.